So hey everyone, today we're gonna master the craft of creating free animated videos with the help of AI. So let's begin. First of all, we gotta come to the website named lexica.art, and from here we gotta search a cartoon character and we gotta download it. Any character you like, you can just download it from here. Once you've done that, you gotta remove the background from it. So you can just go and search on Google about online background remover from an image, and you'll find a lot of websites out there which can remove it for you. Once you choose which website you're gonna use to remove the background of your image, you then just have to wait until their bot remove it for you. And once it's done, you gotta come to the website d/id.com. It's a website which creates animated videos for you, and it gives you 20 credits, but you can basically make unlimited accounts, Google accounts or whatever accounts you can use. And once you sign up in this website, you gotta go into their generate video page and upload that character which we just made right now. After it's done, you gotta go and give a script to your character. You can write anything, whatever you want your character to say. There are so many characters in this website which you can also use, but I'm using what we downloaded and removed the background from. And whatever script you want to give, you can just give it here and that character will speak it for you.
So hey, let's master the craft.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it.